Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW X1. First, let's get you comfortable. Take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your liking. Your key fob has several functions, including remote locking and unlocking. Once inside, locate the engine start/stop button, usually near the steering column and the gear selector. Press the brake pedal firmly before starting the engine to ensure a smooth ignition. Now let's talk about getting into gear. With your foot on the brake, move the gear selector to D for drive. To reverse, select R. The electronic parking brake is easily engaged or disengaged with a single button press. Your X1 offers various driving modes. Comfort is ideal for everyday use. Eco Pro helps save fuel, and Sport provides a more dynamic feel. Experiment to find your preferred setting. Your BMW X1 is equipped with advanced technology to enhance your drive. The iDrive system, controlled by the rotary knob, allows you to access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with ease. For longer journeys, activate cruise control to maintain a steady speed. When parking, the rear-view camera and parking sensors provide valuable assistance, helping you navigate tight spots and avoid obstacles with confidence. These features make every journey more enjoyable. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your X1. When you've found your spot, use your mirrors, rear-view camera, and parking sensors to guide you in safely. Once parked, shift the gear selector to P for park. Engage the electronic parking brake by pressing its button. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button again to turn off the engine. Remember to always lock your vehicle for security. You're all set for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.